Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your German grammar with Pimsleur, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your German grammar with Pimsleur, begin by selecting the appropriate Pimsleur German course for beginners. Next, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus on your lessons without distractions. Once you're settled, access the Pimsleur app or insert the CD into your player. Start with the first lesson, as it lays the foundation for understanding basic German grammar. Listen attentively to the pronunciation and pay attention to the context in which words and phrases are used. As you progress through the lesson, make sure to repeat phrases aloud, mimicking the pronunciation and intonation. Take note of any grammar structures introduced, such as verb conjugations and noun cases. Pause the audio if needed, to give yourself time to process new information. After completing the lesson, practice recalling the key phrases and grammar rules by speaking them out loud. Engage in the review sessions provided in the course, as these reinforce what you've learned and help solidify your understanding. Consistently practice daily, even if only for 30 minutes, to build your grammar skills over time. Incorporate additional resources, such as grammar books or online exercises, to complement your learning. Consider joining a language exchange or conversation group to practice speaking with others. After completing the beginner course, revisit any lessons that were particularly challenging. When you're comfortable, move on to the next level of Pimsleur to continue strengthening your grammar. Stay patient and persistent, as mastering a language takes time and continuous effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.